Gala. Number 17. Soldiers. And Team 9 takes the first set. Good job.
Tulong sa amin yung panalo ngayon kasi kami at nakuha namin yung game ngayon ng 3 sets kasi last time medyo hindi naman nag-relax sa third set, nakuha ng kalaban yung third set. Ngayon naging lesson sa amin yung last game namin. So sobrang thankful sa mga player din na nag-response dun sa third set.
Thank you, Coach. So far, so much question.
Coach, yung charity ko po parang 2 days, sila yung pumipigil sa mga mahabang win streak nyo lagi. And 3 sets and 4 sets. So ngayon po siguro ano yung naging susi para malagpasan nyo na din yung charity ko na kumbaga may extra sila lagi kapag kayo yung palaban.
Research ka. So mag-research din ako eh. Tama ka dyan. So talagang nag-prepare kami for charity ko. Yun nga, may mga history na ganyan. So talagang nag-prepare kami mabuti. Kasi syempre hindi rin naman rookie yung yung charity ko. Veteran team din sila. Talagang dapat talaga maghanda mabuti.
We also have our best player of the game here, Bea Del Rion. Bea, in this game against Cherry, you had 13 points. So personally, ano lang ba yung naging motivation mo heading into this match to help the team get this win?
Personally, I think gusto ko lang talaga mag-aim for consistency. So I wanted to come into this game with a really good mindset and really focused. So yun naman, syempre with the help of my teammates, all of us rin naman talaga wanted the same thing. Lalo na nung up 2 sets kami, we wanted to that extra push na ma-finish siya sa tatlo. So yun, yun lang naman and talagang with the help of my teammates, anything naman is possible.
Okay, same question with Coach. Charity goes stopped a lot of cream-line win streaks in the past, so but they have that extra fire against you guys. So today, you got it done in straight sets. Because what was something different, or what's that extra push on your end to get the job done as quick as you did today?
Well, kanina actually ni-remind kami ni Coach Sherwin na from the past game up 2 sets kami, tapos yun nga, nagkaroon pa kami ng lapses in the middle, so we were just reminded din na pagka ganun na yung advantage, syempre kailangan na namin ma-maximize. So, naabot natin, there's always room for more.
Bea, 18 straight wins na kayo for Creamline since last year pa. So you basically had more wins na than losses so far sa more than a year mo with Creamline. Kumbaga, are you getting used to like that feeling of winning always? Parang is there, may times ba na you have to like have some reality check na although we're winning, anytime we can tumble down and get outpaced?
Actually, yun nga, every day we're reminded that we have to work harder. So actually, we didn't know about this league. Well, I didn't at least. So yun, parang coming into every game, it's as if we fight for a championship and kailangan namin talaga makuha as much as possible every game. Yun talaga lang yung mindset, one game at a time. So, well, today, after today, we're very, very thankful, we'll celebrate. But the next game, focus ulit kami kasi yun lang talaga, game after the other, trabaho.
Coach, yung next game nyo will be against Spark Fresh. So, paano lang makakatulong tong win na to heading into that game?
Malaking bagay yung pagkapanalo namin ngayon ng 3 sets. Yung confidence ng team mataas. So, pero syempre, knowing Spark Fresh, talagang may mga recruit din sila talaga na talagang mga veterano and mixed na players. So, yun yung pinapakita nila ngayong conference. So, maganda lang yung mabuti. Siguro magiging maganda yung lahat.
Hi, Coach Andrea. Congrats again on the win. I'd just like to ask, with UAB around the corner, is there anything, you mentioned about being consistent, that's something that's very important in your game. And is there anything that you've learned in your time at the game that you still integrate now? And do you have any messages for the Lady Eagles?
Syempre, I think a lot of the things that honed us in the UAAP, we have a lot to thank for in the UAAP, yung spirit, yung puso, coming from a culture in Ateneo which the same Atelay has built for us. It's been the same for me. Talagang pusoan, labanan, school pride. The UAAP has been one of the best journeys. Yun, sobrang saya sa UAAP. And of course, to the Lady Eagles, I wish you guys good luck. Coach. And definitely, ayun, I've seen the past games in the preseason and we're very, very hopeful sa nagiging improvement ng team. And sana tuloy-tuloy yun coming into the UAAP. And I think it's gonna be a very hopeful season for us.